What if 5 simple moments a day could change your health, happiness, and entire outlook on life? For Muslims, it already does. 5 times a day, Muslims gather, sometimes without words, but never without connection. Eyes meet, greetings follow, and soon, strangers become a community. Your neighborhood becomes your extended family. Support flows naturally, be it for a sick neighbor, financial trouble, or just someone to lean on. In the mosque, everyone stands shoulder to shoulder, equal, focused, aligned. One imam, one command, one movement. It's not just prayer, it's training for a disciplined life. There's a rhythm that teaches unity, order, and collective purpose. When the rich and the poor, the employer and the worker, kneel and prostrate side by side, social walls collapse. All hearts bow together, and in that moment, all are truly equal. Every prayer begins with cleansing, washing, brushing teeth, combing hair. Fridays come with even more bathing, grooming, perfume. Prayer becomes a daily reset, body and soul. Bowing, kneeling, prostrating, it's a natural routine of stretching and body movement. Add the walk to the mosque and it becomes a built-in fitness regime, 5 times a day. Imagine if prayer included a few push-ups, it would be the ultimate workout of the body and spirit. Each prayer divides the day into mindful segments. Fajr pushes you to wake early. Duhur and Asr offer breaks in the chaos of work. Maghrib and Isha help wind down. This cycle aligns you with natural sleep, better rest, and a productive life. 5 times a day, Muslims pause to reconnect not just with God, but with peace. In every sujood, there's healing. In every whisper, hope. That's the power of prayer. In a world of disconnection, the 5 daily prayers reconnect. To faith, to community, to discipline, to your better self.